Just before Green Man prepping. You feeling?
I see myself.
You know?
So pretty.
I'm like doubling up. Alright.
No.
Say something to your future self.
Fuck you.
Oh, I don't want in this room.
Yeah.
Woo!
How many tents do we have? We've got one, you've got one, you've got one. Mark and Stacey've got one.
TV's going.
She got a tent. We've got 5 tents in our little...
And a flag.
You know the spot to get.
The flag. I got it out, it's good, isn't it?
On our way to the Green Man Festival. Copyright. Excited?
Sorry, I'm not in the.
You are.
Am I?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, it's in our show. Oh, it's just
It's
the
like
smallest.
half.
It's the smallest.
Like 2 halves.
I know, double hat rocking. Going through all these country lanes to get to the Green Man Festival. We are fully packed up to the brim. Navigating all this stuff through the terrain of the open grasslands in the rain. Be fun and an adventure.
Damn hippies.
Hippies back on the road. Oh, look at them beautiful blue skies.
It's so blue.
So perfect. Happy days. I think first thing I'm going to do is set up camp. And then...
I look so silly with 2 hats on.
2 people, 2 hats. There's no room anywhere. There's not even enough room in the car. So to just rest my bag. Geared up. That's all our camping gear that we tried to carry and then failed. Andrew said he's going to do a beer run. Oh my god, like, wow.
Betty. Right then, now we need to catch us the fuck out.
Yeah, we didn't have to queue long at all.
About half hour
Half hour.
at the moment.
Yeah. Put our bags over, hopefully everything will be all good. Pick that up, collect it, we can finally see the general box office over there in Manchester. Just can't wait to get to the campsite. It's like, remember us how we were, sober.
Sober.
Yeah.
That's the main thing, sober.
Sober. We have our bands, yeah boy! And now we gotta find the others. It's already begun. We've already been split up because we went to get the trolley. And now we gotta find them. They're next to a tree. That's a tree.
A little bit of a tipple.
The noise.
Little bubbly.
Excuse me. You wait for your cues.
It's our washing line there, Joe.
What?
Get our washing line in.
Perfect. Nice and long.
I'm so done with this.
I know, luckily they're keeping us.
Pumped up with
The
love.
weather's
You were
been
like,
nice.
at one point, fully ready to accept sleeping on the ground, and now...
Wait for your cues. A little bit of bubbly.
A little bit of bubbly.
Nice.
Yeah, got a washing line. Is that drying out all the beer?
Yeah. It stinks of desperados.
You say stinks of desperation. Spitted. Turning
Yeah.
into like one prize.
Success.
Me and Josh done first for weird.
Shut up, I just blew this up in my lungs.
Not sponsored.
Number 1.
Jackass!
Hold my cup, hold cup. You try hard enough at sports day. Nice! Rickety fence. Nell. Corey and Jay. What? just like that, we've lost them. Guys, it's so good in there. It's like a church. I know we've a grown church.
Holy place of vibes.
No chanting vibes.
I thought it was an alarm then.
Yeah, man, there's some fucking wicked things.
Just
Can't
there.
end up over there.
Cool, we're going there, right?
Wait, and action.
No words can describe.
Beveragino.
Oh, that. Beveragino describes how I'm feeling.
The drinks are catching on, he's off. They're off to find Keely. And we're off to get some tacos.
Taco.
Movement.
One bacon sandwich, Hall. It's smoked bacon. Is that okay? It's not gonna. Perfect timing. It's ready.
Nice.
Tesla shit. Pre-med.
The perfect atmosphere of normality.
Yeah, man,
It
totally.
is for lady.
Nothing weird going on. Nothing in this general direction.
I can't wait to.
Those guys.
Yeah.
About 4 years ago, it was definitely there. All dressed in like suits with animal masks. There was like a stall over here,
Oh, yeah.
and like you go in, and it's like a maze. It's all really dark, and you can hear music playing. And then when you get into like a middle bit, it's just them people in animal masks, silently dancing, like beckoning you in.
Yeah.
It's just fucking weird.
Trying to weed out the most drunk
Yeah.
in the crowd, innit?
I think I lasted about 10 seconds and I had to get out of there.
To get on board.
I just couldn't, it was too much. Too weird. But good on them. Everyone's got to have a hobby, haven't they?
I tell you what, the hula hoop companies are making a killing. This is the hula hoop workshop. Whoa. Hi, Mom!
Fuck you.
Oh, yeah. Got the food, got the bowl buns. Happy Corey, happy me. Just waiting to George to come now. Steal all of the food.
Holly. Good chicken. How much did it cost? Huh? How much did it cost? Tell the camera. How much did it cost? £9. Alright for half a chicken. Yeah. Quite the selection. Your hands are better. I've already been interviewed once by Georgia.
Have you?
Yeah, so much fun.
How does it taste?
Yeah, delicious.
That's it, son.
Say hi to the camera, Corey.
Walking around with it. Hi, Mom.
I'll be like, look at my tits, everybody. Say hello to them.
Yeah. And I started chatting to him.
Go have. Show the camera.
Okay, you ready? Wait, I need to. I'll like rise up into it. You ready? So stay there. They do move in herds.
Hi, Mom. I'd be like titties out.
No green man without some hammering down rain.
I know. They're all muddy, that's already.
Get it dripping.
And you're in a garden chair, really.
Taking a lily right
Does anybody have anything to say to the camera?
What kind of things do you want me to say to the camera?
Something about the rain.
The rain. Here comes some troopers coming out of the rain. You want to film them?
Yes.
They've been on the move.
So true.
And where does your poncho?
Looks like it's wheeling down.
Oh my god.
Oh, damn. Let me just squeeze that drink.
There
Did
he
you have a
is.
nice time, Andrew?
I went to the toilet, came back.
And Harvey's hat.
Harvey and all that were
Sorry,
gone.
we thought you'd come back to the tent.
Oh, it's
so we
alright.
went to watch.
Yeah,
We
you
went
went
into
like.
the crowd.
I thought I must have done it.
Corey got abandoned. Poor Corey. R.I.P. He survived.
I went to
Holly
the
left him.
Yeah.
Went to the tea shop.
Yeah.
No way.
She didn't recognise her.
I don't think she did it.
No, you go later on.
Content. Say hello.
Hello? Oh, mate. Do you want to see the custom meme we just made?
Yeah.
You are gonna love it.
Am I?
You are gonna love it.
This is my live
Been
reaction.
crying. Yeah.
Yeah,
Go
and I
on.
took some pictures and then she was like, I can make a meme out of that. And then Corey commented, it's just fucking hilarious.
I said I could make a meme out of it.
Yeah, I didn't say it.
did.
I come out
What was
to
all
it.
that?
I was like, what?
Steal my game
Ready?
from me.
You ready?
Can it not be too funny? My throat is fucked.
Alright. Caught by the police. Searched my car. Forgot my weed.
I like.
Search my car.
How did you feel about that?
I felt pain more than anything, but I liked it.
Yeah.
Welcome to me.
I would not want to be a child on this. This bit. I know. It's so much fun though, it's so scary. We get to claim it before. Just my favourite band at the festival. Yeah. And now I'm on this. Keep singing. Brilliant.
Ooga booga fire.
that was pretty cool. That's like something from Harry Potter, bro.
Would you not?
Army's just like, no. You want to do something fun? No. No? No fun for you, good sir. But then I gotta wait a whole year.
For what?
For fun. I have all the fun.
Don't you got it? Looked into the light. Don't look into the That's why I just did, and I was like, oh. Bad idea, guys.
Better than drugs.
Better than drugs.
So some nuts are going around steering directly.
Yeah.
I hope you did not get that one.
I did. The GoPro's on. They do move in herds.
No fun for you, good sir.
Hi, Mom.
My only weird one is with a spoon. My only weird one is with a spoon. Oh my god. Rematch.